Summer is here and it's been hot. We've already had triple digits, but does that mean you can't garden at all? To show you what's possible, I'm going to take you on a little tour here at the Natural Gardener so you can see what a summer garden can look like when you plant mindfully and intentionally, working with your soil, your specific geography, and most importantly, the time that you have available to tend to your garden. We're really into xeriscaping, which means that we favor low water plants, both native and adapted.
You might think that low water plants are just agaves, big yuccas, and cacti. And that's not wrong, they're just part of the picture. A xeric garden can include a wide variety of plants, from annuals like zinnia and gomphrena to native shrubs, ornamental grasses, and trees.
All right, first off, we have the herb garden.
Here we have a combination of culinary and ornamental plants. You'll find lots of Mediterranean plants like Jerusalem sage, creeping germander, rosemary, santolina, Sicilian oregano, and bay laurel. We also have a potted olive tree, which is also Mediterranean, Mexican feathergrass, and a bougainvillea. All these plants are here because they have the same needs: low water, well-draining soil, and full sun. There's also a bunch of volunteer gomphrena growing all around in the granite, a great heat-loving annual that clearly doesn't need much.
Moving on to the butterfly garden, we have a really nice patch of frog fruit, a native ground cover.
A great living mulch that benefits small pollinators. Annuals like pentas, gomphrena, and Mexican sunflower give nectar to bigger pollinators, like butterflies. One of our summer showstoppers is the adapted Pride of Barbados. The butterflies love it, and although it dies back in the winter, it comes back in late spring. Another one is this Hamelia, or firebush, which attracts hummingbirds with its red, orangey color. Greg's mistflower, purple coneflower, Brazilian rock rose, and Mexican orchid tree also add great pollinator value to our garden. Around our parking lot, you'll find Flamacanthus, four-nerve daisy, yellowbird of paradise, and a yucca rostrata. Other xeric plants in our grounds include a catalpa tree, Turk's cap.
I hope this quick, hot summer tour inspires you. Have fun, mix and match plants, and remember, low water is much more than a cactus.